Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize LinkedIn. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead right here to the LinkedIn and make sure that you downloaded and updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen and go ahead to your browser. And if you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile, choose a strong profile pic and then utilize the background photo. Be smart with your profile headline and your about section, your story. Fill out your work experience, show off your education and skills, and then edit your profile URL. Create your profile in another language if applicable. Okay, so scroll a little bit down right here. And if you want to optimize your profile, as we said before, and if you want to know why you should optimize your profile, it helps recruiters understand that you may be open to work, know who you are and your expertise, and then basically this can encourage them to reach out to you directly for job opportunities and make you stand out. If you apply for a job on LinkedIn, boost your personal brand and can help you become an influencer. It can help build relationship with prospects and close deals, social selling, and then establishes relationships with customers and creates more trust. Okay, so choose a strong profile pic. All right, utilize your background photo and make sure that you're smart with your profile headline, and then scroll a bit down to your about story, your story. Make sure that you add a good story and fill out your work experience if you have one, and then show off your education, skills, and certification basically. And then this is like optional, while not as impactful as it was in the early days of LinkedIn. You can ask for some recommendations. This is useful if you are a job hunting especially, but not something worth spending a lot of time on otherwise. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.